guys, it's Icyyyy. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So I'm back. I just took a little break because I was sick and also like the holidays and everything, so I was like, let's just take a little like 2-week, kind of 2.5, 3-week type break. So yeah, I did that and now I'm back. So yeah, we're back to regularly scheduled posting. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, we are going to be doing Icyyyy part 4. So Icyyyy is kind of like my winter inspired makeup look series on this channel. So basically when I first started YouTube like a while ago, I just did like a winter inspired makeup look and I called it like Icyyyy or whatever. I will leave the playlist in the eye right here. It'll also be linked down below. So yeah, it's really funny to see the gradual like differences between like my first like kind of like year and stuff on YouTube to like now. So yeah, anyways, it's winter, so annual winter inspired makeup look. And I'm really excited because like I said, I'm back and all that good stuff. So what better way to like come back than to do like an annual video. I'm going to be trying some new to me products, which I'm really excited about. I'm going to be trying the Juvia's Place Allure 2 and also this like Juvia's Place the Rebel Mints palette, along with like some other palettes that I used to have. So yeah, if you guys want to see my Icyyyy part 4 winter inspired makeup look, then just keep on watching. So first, I'm going to prime my eyes with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer in the shade C10. Oh, Happy New Year, guys. I literally didn't even do any like New Year's looks or like New Year's Eve looks or whatever because like I said, I was sick. So I literally didn't even do all of that and I completely forgot that it's a new year. So Happy New Year, guys. 2022, hopefully this year is good to everybody. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so this is what the Allure 2 palette looks like. It just has all these beautiful like shades of blue, and then the mint palette obviously has like mint shades, but I feel like I could like blend it out with this one and still make it look good. Like it's a little bit on the blue side, so I think I'll be able to like use that one. So first I'm gonna take the mint palette and I'm gonna take that on a Morphe M441 brush, and I'm gonna take this shade and I'm gonna put it in kind of a triangle shape on the outer part of my eye. So I'm actually going to take this NYX Modern Dreamer palette and I am going to take this blue shade right here and I'm going to put it in the same spot. Now I'm going to take the only matte blue shade in the Allure 2 palette on a M506 brush. One of the shades is kind of like breaking up a little bit, like it's leaving kind of like spotty, and I really don't know which ones it is or if it's the concealer with the different eyeshadows, but I'm just trying to like go over it to make everything even. This is just like a Juvia's Place video, I guess. So I'm gonna take the Magic palette by Juvia's Place and I'm gonna take this, oopsies, this dark blue on a M506 brush, and I'm basically just gonna put it in the same spot. I really want like an emphasized kind of like winged out look. Now I'm going to take this Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 20 on an M213 brush, and I'm basically just going to carve out the crease a little bit. Now I'm going to take these two shimmer shades and put it on the inner corner of my eye. I'm going to go off camera and do my foundation, and then we'll come back and do like the under eye and some finishing touches. I think this look is looking good so far. I feel like I had to do a lot of work because, like I said, it was a little bit like patchy, spotty, but it's looking kind of good for right now. So let me go off camera and do my foundation, and then I'll be right back. All right, so I did my foundation, everything like I said. Now we're gonna move on to the under eye. I'm gonna take this brush that like comes with the ABH palettes, and I'm gonna use not the fluffy side, but I'm gonna use the other side. I'm gonna take the only matte color in the Allure 2 palette again, and I'm gonna really tightly put it in my under eye. Then I'm going to take the Morphe 213 brush with that same shadow and even closer put it on the inner part of my eye. So now with that same 213 brush, I'm going to take the darkest shade from the Magic palette and basically kind of do like a liner. I kind of already did it on the outer part of the eye, but I'm going to bring it to the inner part of the eye. Alright, and then the last thing that I'm going to do before I put on a lash, I think we're going to add some gems just to spice it up. Also, like the Euphoria season 2 premiere was yesterday, so I'm feeling kind of euphoric with the gems and all that stuff. That's the vibe I kind of want to go with. Also, just like gems really give like an icy effect, so we gonna do that. Hopefully I can do like a little more zoom when I'm editing so you can see how good those crystals look. So now we're gonna go off camera and put on a lash. I really don't know what kind of lip I'm gonna do. I feel like it might take a little while to figure it out, but I did get this e.l.f. lip gloss set for Christmas, so I think I might do like a liner and then some gloss. I just gotta figure out what kind of liner, but this gloss right here, I don't even know what it's called, is calling my name. Also, I got these new 25mm lashes from Amazon for Christmas as well, so it's probably gonna be like a big lash. So yeah, I'm gonna go off camera, put on a lash, do some lips, and then we'll come back for the outro and the finished look and all that good stuff. Okay guys, this is the finished Icyyyy Part 4 look. I know a lot of people don't like lashes like this, but I am obsessed with these lashes. I will link them down below because I know some people like really big lashes and some people don't, like I said, but I definitely recommend trying them out because I always wanted to try out big lashes. I was like, I wonder what I would look like, and it's like literally my new thing. Like, look at these. And like for lips, I'm gonna tell you guys what I use for lips because that also looks really good. I used the Juvia's Place I Love lip kit in the shade Self Love. Their lip liners are super creamy. This is my first time ever using like Juvia's Place lip stuff, and it is literally like a dream. And then for gloss, I just used the e.l.f. lip kit like I said I was going to, and I used the like clear one. I don't think they have names, but I used like the clear one, and baby, like you literally can't tell me nothing right now. I was nervous because it's literally been a while, and I was just like nervous that I wouldn't be able to like do makeup. You know, like when it's been a while since you did makeup, you feel like you might have like lost it a little bit and having a little bit of trouble. But this is like fire. Like guys, look at like look this. Like, excuse me, I look good. Like, can't nobody tell me nothing right now. But anyways, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I liked filming it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff is on the screen right here. It'll also be in the description box. Anyways, my camera battery died. I do not remember the last thing I was saying, but I also wanted to say thank you guys so much for 100 subscribers. I think I said it before, but I just want to say thank you again. I really appreciate it. We're at like 103 subscribers, I think, and I'm really excited just for the new year and like to continue my journey on YouTube. Hopefully we continue growing. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. I really appreciate it. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Oh, you guys want to see like a close-up? Hold on, I'll give you a close-up.